Early morning. The alarm clock rings loudly.
Jack, wake up! It's morning.
5 more minutes, Mom. He always says that. I'm so sleepy.
Keep moving, Jack.
Breakfast is half ready in the kitchen.
My legs feel very heavy.
Go to the sink. Wash the dishes.
Okay, I'll vacuum the living room. Wait, I have homework. I'll do it in my room.
Only piano. That's very
I
loud.
don't trust him.
Gentle humming returns.
I'm studying, really. Reading is very important.
I brought you a snack.
The bedroom is very messy.
What is this paper?
The homework is wet and ruined.
Oh no, my homework.
Is this your homework, Jack?
What's going on here?
His homework is destroyed.
How did that happen?
Water drips onto the carpet.
It's still dripping.
I forgot it in my pocket.
Later, the family talks at the table.
We need a presentation board.
It's due tomorrow morning.
The clock shows evening time.
We can fix this together.
He tried to skip chores.
Everyone has a job.
We have many vacation photos.
A red light starts blinking.
Please work, printer.
The error light flashes.
Something is wrong.
Please don't fail now.
The screen says, low ink.
We need to buy ink.
The family rushes to the car. City lights pass by. They arrive at the store.
I don't want to see anyone. Oh no, Mrs. Gable. I feel sick.
Mrs. Gable steps away.
Let's go inside.
Ink cartridges fill the shelf.
We need HP 64.
It's on the top shelf.
Dad grabs the ink. They walk to foam boards. The board feels light.
Get the big one.
They go to the checkout. The price appears.
I'll pay by card.
Ink is so expensive.
They drive home quietly. Police lights flash behind them. The car pulls over.
Are we in trouble?
Where is my license? It's not here.
The officer walks closer.
License and registration, please.
The officer writes a ticket.
I understand.
This is my fault. Next time, be honest.
They drive home again.
I'll drive slower now.
I'm really sorry, Dad.
No one speak. They arrive home late.
Melody slightly to terms.
Let's finish the project.
Humming.
Supplies cover the table. Everyone starts working.
The photos are printing.
Melody slightly develops.
I will cut the paper.
Local. Texture. Remains soft and very.
I'll write the titles. I'll write 5 sentences.
Glue drips onto the table.
Dad, that's too much glue.
Very calm.
The board fills up.
Returns.
It looks good.
The clock shows midnight.
Mom, please check this. Your writing is good.
Piano slowly fades out.
The last pieces are added.
This is the last photo.
They step back together.
We did it.
Great teamwork.
I will keep it safe.
Everyone feels very tired.
Time to sleep.
Good night. Stay safe.
Taube continue.